It is a GATE 2019 question asked from digital subject based on K-maps and Boolean function realization using NOR gates. And also it involves a concept called sum of products and product of sums. Now first understand the question. What is the minimum number of two input NOR gates required to implement four variable function expressed in sum of minterms form? Sum of minterms form we call SOP form, it is mentioned, means we also call it sum of product form. As f of this one it is mentioned. Assume that the all inputs and their complements are available. So means assuming inputs and complements are available. So this is required because complements are already available. We should not use NOT gate. Okay, we should not use NOT gate to get its complements. Now first we'll understand how to implement this Boolean function using two input NOR gates. First we'll understand what is a Boolean function. For this, to find the Boolean function for this sum of minterms, we have to use a K-map method. In the K-map method, because it is a four variable map, we have to construct a four variable map, and I'm assuming the four variables are A, B and C, D. The binary numbers are 0, 1 and it is 2 and it is 3, and here similarly 0, 1 and it is 2 and it is 3. And before that, just try to understand how this problem is solved. What it's given, f equal to sigma 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 13 and 15 is given. Because to implement using NOR gates, if it is to be implemented using NOR gates, so what we required is, given is SOP, to implement using NOR gate we require to have POS. POS means we have to find what is pi. Now we need to find f equal to pi of what pi contains missing terms of SOP there in the POS. Missing terms of POS is there in the SOP. Means 0 is there. Now what are the missing terms? 1, 2 already there, 3, 4, next 5 already there, 6, 7 already there, 8 already there, 9, now 10 already there, 11, 12, 13 already there, 14 and 15 already there, completed. So means this is POS form of the same SOP. Now to find the Boolean function, we have to put zeros for each of the sum terms. Now 1, this is 1, we have to put 0 here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and it is 4, 5, 6, we have to put 7, 8 not there, 9 there, 10 not there, 11 there, then 12 there, this is 12, this is 30. Now we have to simplify this K-map. Now for simplification we have to match the quadrants. These two and these two will form a quad. Quad means a group of four adjacent cells, and this quad representing a Boolean function. How to write the Boolean function for this quad? Now observe, this row and this row is a common rows right now. In this common rows, this is 0, 0, this is 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, this 0, 1 for variable A, it is eliminated. Now this 0 is common for variable B. Okay, so that we have to write this is B, and actually we are doing POS. In POS, zeros are combining. Zeros are represented with uncomplemented form, 1 is represented with complemented form. That point you keep in mind. Again, what is a common thing? These two columns. Now first 0, 1 means variable C, it is differing with 0 and 1. Variable D is having 1, 1 common. 1 is to be represented with complemented form, means what is a Boolean expression representing B plus D dash is represented by this quadrant. Now we can say these two and these two are adjacent. Now what is a Boolean function representing this quadrant? How to write? Now 0, 1, this is differing with respect to A. This is 1 1. This is differing with 0 1. This is 1 1. 1 1 means 1 is complemented form B dash, and these two columns, in these two columns first variable is C, 0 and 1. It is differing, so it is to be cancelled, and these two are common, same means both are representing 0 0. 0 is represented with uncomplemented. We have two terms. The two terms are represented with in POS form, that is B plus D dash dot B dash plus D. Now it is a POS form. Now this can be easily realized using the NOR gates. Now B plus D dash, it is to be implemented with one NOR gate. NOR gate means not OR gate with NOT, we call NOR gate. Here we have two inputs B and D dash. We don't require NOT gates because inputs are available in its form and its complement form already given. And one more NOR gate is required to realize this function, that is B dash and D, and this output of these two NOR gates to be fed to another NOR gate to give the final output. So it is a two-stage implementation, we call NOR implementation. Now the question is, what is the minimum number of two input NOR gates? Okay, minimum number of two input NOR gates. Because question is asked for minimum number, we have to simplify the Boolean function. We have simplified the Boolean function we got is this one. And when this Boolean function is realized using NOR circuits, how many NOR gates are required? 1, 2 and 3 NOR gates are required. So number of NOR gates required is 3 NOR gates. So it is the answer for the question.